Hi grown-ups, welcome back to Kidding Around. My name is Melanie Smith and this is your weekly update. This week your kids will be doing Test Tube Tuesday, Thoughtful Thursday, and a Wonderful Woman lesson on Saturday. On Tuesday your kids will get to make magnetic slime and they'll enjoy watching it overtake a magnet. They'll also do some other fun activities as well. On Thursday, which is Thanksgiving, your kids will get to make a thankful heart that they can give to someone that they're thankful for. This one also comes with a printout for a card to attach to those hearts. And on Saturday, we'll be talking about the awesome author Jane Austen, and your kids will get to make a bookmark in her honor that also includes them learning how to sew on a button. All of the materials for all of these projects are listed right below this video, and they're also included on the individual videos as well. Also, just a note, we are taking the week of November 30th off, so we will not be posting videos. We hope that you can enjoy some of our backlogged videos that week. We will be back on December 7th with a brand new Masterpiece Monday lesson where we'll be talking about Gustav Klimt, and we can't wait to see you then. Thanks so much, happy Thanksgiving, and have a great couple weeks.